Hey, do you know it's raining outside? Yeah, besides me and Mom trucking you through the rain from the car to a building, this is the first time you've actually walked in the rain. Aren't you wet? Aren't you cold? Hey, do you like the rain? Do you like the rain? Oh, you're squinting. Give me a cheese. There you go. Oh, you want knuckles? Knuckles.
No.
Moko can't give you knuckles. Come on, let's go inside. Let's go inside. Who are you talking to? You don't know? What do you think, you're playing in your pool or what?
Right.
Yeah. No kidding, huh?
Yeah. No.
You're getting all wet.
No.
Oh, you know?
No. It's a bad.
Alright, baby girl, let's go.